Tecnomagnetic has been in the permanent electromagnetism business since 1972 and has won a position as world leader in the sector through numerous patents filed and constant dedication to the development of this innovative technology. In our facility at Lainate near Milan in Italy, we have our production departments as well as our engineering and sales management offices. It is from here that a broad range of products designed for different industrial needs emerges. These needs include clamping on machine tools and plastics injection presses, as well as handling of ferrous loads of any weight and size. The vast experience gained by Tecnomagnetic in the machine tool area, with over 30,000 systems installed all over the world, has allowed us to develop in the last few years an absolutely revolutionary engineering solution for the clamping of dies on injection machines. We call it quad press. The quad press system consists of a pair of permanent electric magnet modules standardized on the basis of the Euromap class they belong to, and applied to the fixed and moving mold holder platens of the machine by means of simple set screws, and they are capable of clamping molds of different shapes and sizes easily, quickly and safely with no modification of the mold. The enormous magnetic force generated by the quad press modules is provided by the patented quad system circuit, which is made up of a chessboard square pole structure arranged with quadrangular geometry. Each of the poles represents a separate magnetic island surrounded by permanent magnets on 5 sides of the pole. This ensures the greatest concentration of forces. The Alnico magnet, located in the lower side of the pole, inverts its north-south polarity when the solenoid surrounding it is activated. This provides extremely fast magnetization, mag, and demagnetization, demag, cycles lasting from 1 to 4 seconds. The magnetic flux generated in the mag phase begins to circulate in a horizontal, flattened pattern, penetrating uniformly into the work to be clamped with very limited depth, about 10 millimeters. This avoids any possible interference with the internal parts of the mold. This force remains constant in time with no need of any electric power supply during operation. This ensures full operating safety in addition to significant energy savings. The development of force is distributed uniformly and linearly over the entire surface area of the mold in contact with the magnetic module. This prevents any bending of the mold and ensures excellent quality of the molded piece. With quad press, mold changing is easy and quick for any operator. It consists of these simple steps. The assembled mold is set in the machine and centered on the fixed chuck. The fixed chuck is magnetized to clamp the fixed part of the mold. The moving chuck is then brought near by the machine closing movement. The moving chuck is magnetized to clamp the moving part of the mold. The mold is opened and the machine is ready to work. These operations take place with very little mold load-unload time, ranging from 3 minutes for an average to small machine to 7 or 8 minutes for a medium to large machine. The quad press module electronic control units interface with the machine PLC. They are very compact and are easily housed either inside or outside the machine cabinet. A specially designed electronic safety device detects when magnetic saturation of the quad press is complete, while a pair of proximity probes located on the fixed and mobile chucks detects the presence of the mold and signals this information to the machine. The push-button strips can be housed in a convenient location for the operator and are equipped with a safe button so that the activation and deactivation cycles of the quad press modules always take place by simultaneously pressing two buttons. The quad press modules ensure an exceptionally high level of reliability over time because they have no moving internal parts and are not subject to overheating. Perfect structural stability of the quad press modules is ensured by a monoblock construction provided by cutting out a block of solid steel by a special milling operation. Subsequent insertion of the permanent electromagnetic circuit, made up of steel poles, magnets, coils and epoxy resin with high dynamic strength, gives the quad press modules absolute rigidity even under the severest operating conditions. The modular design of the quad system circuit makes it possible to achieve extremely functional magnetic layouts capable of leaving the necessary neutral zones for the extractors and of conforming to the different types of machines in accordance with the Euromap class they belong to, and develop dedicated solutions. The total freedom of positioning any shape of mold makes it possible to achieve highly sophisticated automatic change solutions. Quad press translates into high speed and flexibility in all mold change operations and total quality in production. And these are the indispensable conditions for operating with a just-in-time policy and being able to serve ever more demanding customers. A great number of systems already installed all over the world, and the active cooperation of the world's main injection machine builders are proof of a promise that has been kept. Tecnomagnete's presence all over the world is able to ensure the best service, fast and effectively at any time. Tecnomagnete means safety.